A very good afternoon to one and all. I, Amir Suman, Vice Chairman of Nagpur branch of Vikasa, welcome you all to this session called Meet the Topper, organized by Nagpur branch of Vikasa, jointly with Amravati and Satara branches of Vikasa. Friends, this is a very special session planned to motivate the students to learn from the hardships and the success story. And today we have with us a very learned speaker, CA Mohammad Wali sir, who will be guiding the students and motivating the students. Uh, at the outset, I welcome CA Jiten Saglani sir, Chairman of Nagpur branch of Vikasa, CA Pawan Jadhu sir, Chairman Vikasa Amravati, CA Rushikesh Wangre sir, Chairman Vikasa Satara. In absentia, C. Saket Bagria sir, Chairman Nagpur branch of ICI, who will be joining us in the later part of this session. And also the speaker of this special session, CA Mohammad Wali sir.
Thank you.
Moving on, I now request CA Jiten Saglani sir, Chairman of Vikasa Nagpur, to give his welcome address. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Amey. Friends, I'm invisible to you all because there is some technology glitch at my side. But let me say this, that I'm there with you all and I'm attending this session till the very end. So let me start at the outset by recognizing the presence of Vikasa chairmen of various branches. We have CA Pawan Jadhu ji, who is a vice chairman as well as Vikasa chairman of Amravati branch, and CA Rushikesh Wangre ji, who is a Vikasa chairman of Satara branch. And along with that, we have CA Mohammad Wali, who is actually this wonderful person, as well as he's a speaker today. He'll be mentoring you all. So with three of them here and the team Vikasa at Nagpur, at Amravati and Satara, I look forward to all you students who are present here. So thank you one and all for joining. Friends, we thought about this session when we met Mohammed at the branch. CA Mohammed, he's a AIR 23, All India rank 23 in his finals. And I think when I was talking to him, I learned that he could be a very good mentor to students like you all. And this being one of the sessions wherein we actually think of organizing these sessions because we want you to take say inspiration from people like Mohammed. So thank you so much, CA Mohammed, for joining
so much,
as well as accepting this this actually an invitation from Nagpur, Amravati and Satara on a very short notice. Friends, let me start with a small story. There was a boy who went to a balloon vendor and he wanted to see the balloons which were air filled, and he was just observing that all balloons were going up. So he asked the balloon vendor, भैया क्या एक काला बलून भी इस तरह से हवा में जाएगा? So the balloon vendor said, बेटा बलून के कोई भी कलर से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, सारे बलून हवा में जाते हैं because बलून का कलर इम्पैक्ट नहीं करता है, इम्पैक्ट करता है उसके अंदर का चीज. So what is inside is what takes you up. Just remember this one line, that whatever is inside is what takes you up. So in life, if you wish to say reach to new heights, it's whatever inside that you have to work upon. हम लोग सब जो काम करते हैं ना, हमारे आउटर अपीयरेंस और हम कैसे दिख रहे हैं और ये सब चीजों पे हम बहुत सोचते हैं. और स्टूडेंट लाइफ में इट्स वेरी बट नेचुरल that we feel so much conscious about ourselves. How do we look? How do we present? That is important. That is undoubtedly important, but that is not the end of life. So what you have to work upon is something that you have to inherit. और अंदर में काम करना है. और अंदर में काम कैसे करेंगे? So जब ये इस तरह के जब सेशंस हम लोग आपके सामने लाते हैं, तो हमारा आइडिया ये है कि आप अंदर के जो स्किल्स है आपके, उस स्किल सेट्स को डेवलप करो और लाइफ में आगे बढ़ो. और आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनेंगे और एक अच्छे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनेंगे. तो जैसे मोहम्मद अभी है, सीए मोहम्मद इज ही हैज वर्कड विद बिग फोर्स and now he's placed at a very say big corporate house which is Godrej. And after talking to him, I learned that he'll be shifting to US very soon because he is now going to be placed there at US. So आपको एक बहुत amazing inspiration मोहम्मद से मिलना चाहिए. And I think whatever he will be talking today in a form of say interactive session would be definitely helpful to all of us. So with this short say remarks on my side, I welcome you all on this forum of Nagpur branch, wherein this session is organized as Meet the Toppers. And I thank once again to various chairmen, so that is Vikasa chairman at Amaravati, Pawan Jajuji, and Rushikesh Wangreji for accepting this invite of joining together for this session. And special thanks to CA Mohammed for taking out time, because he told me, sir, बहुत ज़्यादा tight चलता है schedule, and he had some family commitment also today. So despite all this, he has accepted our invitation and he has agreed to be a speaker here. So thank you so much, CM Mohammed, for joining, and thank you one and all. Over to you, Amey. Yeah, over to you, Amey.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request CA Pawan Jaju, sir, chairman of Vikasa Amravati branch, to give his brief address.
Thank you, ma'am. Myself, CA Pawan Jaju, Vice Chairman and Vikasa Chairman Amravati branch. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Meet the topper, the very well and superb topic. Meet the toppers. See, in our CA, first of all, sorry, before starting, I would like to welcome our speakers, Mohammed Bhai Wali, AIR 23. It's nice and we feel very good to talk with you, to listen you, because it's very important in CA, and that too with the AIR ranking. It's very rare. And what we are average students, what our target is just to pass the exams, and you are the topper. So we would like to hear you how you do it, what is different, what is the way, what is the approach. We would like to hear from you, sir. Nagpur branch, Vikasa Chairman Jiten Bhai, and our Satara branch, Vikasa Chairman Rushikesh Bhai. I welcome you. Meet the topper of this session, which is very much needed in this life, because अभी कैसा है, परसेंटेज तो बढ़ गया है, सीए पासिंग परसेंटेज बढ़ गया है. अभी जो वैल्यू है यार, रैंकिंग अगर आपका आता है तो मोर देन इनफ, मोर मतलब क्या बोले इसके बारे में. सो वी स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम अमरावती एंड ऑल स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम नागपुर and Satara would definitely like to hear you, sir. So thank you for your valuable presence and taking time out of your busy schedule. Thank you. We would like to hear from you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Over to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pawan sir, for your words. I now request CA Rushikesh Wangde sir, chairman of Satara branch of Vikasa, to give his brief address.
Thank you very much, Amey. First of all, at the outset, I would like to welcome CA Saket sir in absentia, our Nagpur branch chairman, CA Jiten Chagrani, Vikasa chairman of Nagpur branch, and CA Pawan Jaju sir, Vikasa chairman of Amravati branch. And something important is the pillars behind this whole event is Amey, Aviral, and all the Vikasa team members. Very warm welcome. And last but not the least, and very important, I welcome Mohammed sir for accepting our invitation and sparing your invaluable time for this session. Now coming back to the topic, students, I am interacting with the students since last 11 years, and in specific last 2 years से हम क्रैश कोर्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते वक्त more than 5,000 स्टूडेंट्स के साथ इंटरेक्शन करते वक्त मुझे ये लग रहा है कि all these chartered accountants exams are psychological game, mind game, and once you आपके अंदर आपका कॉन्फिडेंस जग जाता है तो सीए क्लियर करना इज नॉट दैट मच डिफिकल्ट. एंड बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि रैंक लाना इज इम्पॉसिबल, डिफिकल्ट, बट ऐसा कुछ चीज नहीं है. अगर एक बार आप सोच लेते हैं एंड आपकी स्ट्रैटेजीज आप प्रॉपर्ली फाइनलाइज करते, फॉर्मुलेट करते, तो रैंक लाना भी इज नॉट दैट मच डिफिकल्ट टास्क. एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली हैविंग इंटरेक्शंस विद ऑल इंडिया रैंकर्स. दिस सेशन इज नॉट एन एक्सेप्शन टू दिस. एंड सो आपको एक थोड़ा सा माइंडसेट में थोड़ा सा बदलाव लाना है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल clearing CA in the first attempt is a very possible, rank लाना is also possible. So with this mindset you approach this session. आपको जो भी क्वेश्चन से, कुछ भी क्वेरी से, तो आप अपने स्पीकर से आप पूछ सकते हो, and Mohammed ji will be very glad to answer them.
Definitely, sir.
And फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स वो माइंडसेट में चेंज करना, माइंड ब्लॉक जो है वो सारा निकाल देना, तो not only passing but also getting all India rank will be easily possible for you, all of you. With this short intro, I hand over back to the Amay.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words. It's time to introduce the speaker of this session, CA Mohammad Wali, sir. And for that, I would request Ms. Ravina Thade, Joint Editor of Vikasa Nagpur, to kindly do the honors.
A very warm good afternoon to everyone in the session. I am delighted to introduce to you CA Mohammad Wali, sir. CA Mohammad Wali, sir, is a 2019 qualified chartered accountant, commerce graduate from HR College of Commerce and Economics, Mumbai, and had done his schooling from Center Point School, Nagpur. He passed with flying colors at all levels of CA examinations, scoring an All India rank 23 in CA final with exemptions in 7 out of 8 subjects. Exemption in 6 subjects at IPCC level. His work experience as a management trainee at Darling SCD, Uganda, Strength of Nature, USA, a goods company, and currently working in that company itself as the finance manager, wherein he has done profitability analysis, cost control, financial planning and analysis, audits, and treasury management. Sir has undergone his articleship from Deloitte Haskins and Sells LLP and Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, that is HSBC. During his commerce graduation, he was involved in academic projects, decline in communication due to technology, newspaper reading habits of young teenage children, how consumers profit from social media. Other than this, Sir was a co-founder of NGO G49, an initiative started to help the deprived and needy without the hassle of documentation and superfluous process. His hobbies and interests includes participating in dramas, quiz, theaters, traveling, adventure, photography, and banking and baking. Being a keen sports person, he has remarkable achievements in sports and work life. Some of them being awarded Champion of Governance and Control by Strength of Nature this year in recognition of his dedication. Ranked third in Asia in long tennis junior boys category. Won many national and international titles organized by International Tennis Federation, Asian Tennis Federation, All India Tennis Association. Also represented Maharashtra in national swimming competition at Kolkata in 2009, apart from winning many gold, silver, and bronze medal at state and district level swimming competitions organized by DSO, that is the District Sports Office, and CBSE. It was a very good privilege of me to introduce our speaker for the session and be privileged to have this speaker with us. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Ravina. Thank you, Amay.
Thank you so much, Ravina, for the wonderful introduction of our speaker, CA Mohammad Ali, sir. Friends who have joined us in this webinar, I may tell you that this session is going to be in the form of an interactive session where we'll be asking questions to the speaker and he will cover the session to the answers. So I hope you find it interesting.
Just before starting, I would actually take privilege to thank everybody. Thank you, Jiten sir, who is probably not with us right now, Jaju sir, Rishikesh sir, who have invited me, and I really feel privileged to come back to the institute and give back to the students. I'm really thankful to all the students who have come here, taken time out. I know how precious it is especially during our final exams. So I really welcome you all. And like Amaya said, I really hope it to be a very interactive session so that you guys can benefit out of it. This session is for you all. So make sure you ask as many questions as you want, and I will be more than happy to help you. Even if one student benefits out of it, I will be very happy. So let's begin, and without wasting much time, because I know how valuable the time for all students is. Let us begin the session, Amaya.
Surely, sir.
May just to interrupt, CA Mohammad, I'm actually there, but I've just connected with other device, so you may not be seeing me on the screen.
Okay, sir.
But I'm there. I'll be there for the entire session.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Don't worry.
Sorry.
So changing the setup to the interview mode. Just a moment.
And students, please feel free, irrespective of whether I'm speaking. If you have anything, please raise your hands. I would be more than happy to help you. This session is for you all. I'm just a small part of it. So please be, this is the platform where you can get all your queries solved or whatever you guys have in. मतलब बिल्कुल डरने का नहीं. I mean, that's one of the key aspects of becoming a chartered accountant. We have to be confident and give our best. So कुछ भी रहेगा किसी को भी, please go ahead.
So friends, talking with a ranker is indeed a privilege in itself. And when we have a speaker like CA Mohammad Wali sir, it's more than a great opportunity for each and every one of us to interact with him. So beginning with this session, firstly, I would like to ask that why CA? Why did you want to become a chartered accountant? And what was it which made you to actually choose CA as your career option?
So it's a very interesting question, and सब लोग यही पूछते हैं कि why CA? Just to give a little background, my family is full of doctors. My mom is a doctor, my brother is a doctor, my sister is becoming one, but I still chose chartered accountancy as my professional career. So I would like to begin, take you to the time where मतलब मैं tennis खेलता था. Professionally, I used to play. Like I did a little good. I was ranked 3rd in Asia. And but I couldn't pursue sports due to some factors, personal factors. And I started, I was interested in science, but business or accountancy really attracted me. Money attracts everybody, right? So मैंने सोचा कि I wanted to do something different, standing differently from what my family members are doing. कोई भी मेरे family में, mom, dad, दोनों side family में, there's no chartered accountant. So I knew that I had to start. I had to do this on my own. There will be no, of course there was support all the time, but no guidance in terms of कि यहाँ चले जाओ, वहाँ चले जाओ. So I always had to choose my own path and decide for myself. And this is something which I saw started. I once heard, I think Ratan Tata, that I need MBAs to run my business, but I need chartered accountants to teach them how to run the business. So I think that struck me, and मुझे ऐसा था कि because I was always keen on doing business, doing something for the society in a manner where you make money out of giving back to the society. So I thought chartered accountancy was the key. I went to Bombay. I wanted to get into a good college, study from one of the best, do honors. So वहाँ से जब मैंने देखा तो the competition increased to a great extent. मैंने सोचा कि यहाँ आके मतलब CA तो करना ही करना है, but like you have to be best amongst the best, because मतलब इतना competition था to get into Big Four, and हमेशा से dream रही थी कि Big Four में you have to work and get to that. So I think it all started from not being able to pursue a professional tennis career to being able to being interested in business and wanting that मतलब अंदर से कि I have to prove myself and to everybody that I can do something out of the box. So I think that was one step led to another. Once you all know, मतलब एक बार चले जाते हो तो then you are very keen and passionate about it. So that's how it started.
So it's the passion which drove you to the CA curriculum, and you
right
choose CA as your career option.
Yeah.
Next, I would like to ask that it is very well said that articleship plays a very pivotal role in a CA student's life. And how was your articleship journey, and how does articleship help us academically, that is from exam point of view, and as well as in our professional career?
It's a very good question, especially, but I'm not very sure what kind of, do we have CA final students here, or more of CPT and intermediate?
There is a mix of students. There is a mix of students.
Okay. So actually, I would like to first say articleship बहुत important है. It is one of the base, and I feel actually very happy that Institute has incorporated such a tenure. I know that there can be a lot of changes in that, but articleship, आपको मेको, it gives us that professional platform where we are able to build ourselves for the future, because articleship is just a trailer, if you say कि आगे क्या होने वाला है और how your lives are going to be. It teaches you कि आपको क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं पसंद है before starting your career, because once you do your education and once you get into the working environment, it is very difficult to switch, or very difficult to because you have a lot of other responsibilities. So articleship ये मामले में बहुत help करता है. Secondly, with respect to academics, I think articleship really helps. And irrespective आप कोई भी firm से करो, it doesn't matter. It depends on what you take from your articleship. अगर आपने ये mindset से जाते हो कि okay, I just want to have fun and I am here to pass 3 years, वो भी हो सकता है. मतलब it's not that you cannot do that. But if you make sure that you want to learn something out of it, academically, I assure you it will help you, because writing some of the papers like audit, and if you are like in taxation, then solving questions of client real time questions, it really challenges you as a person. And when you are writing your paper, you actually remember the things said by your senior, said by your bosses, which you can actually write, and it gives an added advantage. I mean, you have to be within the lines of the questions, but you have points more than your colleague because you have seen something which they have not. So academically also it will help you, but most importantly, I feel it will help you as a professional in your future, because it teaches you, at least for me, मैं आपको पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से बोल सकता हूँ, मैंने डिलॉइट में 2 साल आर्टिकलशिप की. आई वाज इन स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिट. आई वेंट टू HSBC फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग फॉर अ ईयर. मैंने बहुत सीखा. आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक एवरीबडी हु वाज पार्ट ऑफ माय आर्टिकलशिप करियर. बट मैंने ये भी सीखा कि मुझे लाइफ में ये नहीं करना है. So that was a really big step for me, even though I couldn't identify what I wanted to do, but I identified what I did not want to do. So at least मुझे ये realize हो गया कि okay, future में I don't want to probably be in a career which is auditing or investment banking. But I learned a lot out of it. Like I learned professionalism. आपको आपके colleagues के साथ how do you behave, everything. And at a young age, if you are getting that exposure, trust me, like when you are of my age, which is 24, and you go to the corporate world or you start your own business, which is a big thing now, आपको automatically things मालूम होती है which you can do, or contacts of people who can help you grow. So I feel articleship दिल से करनी चाहिए, and not just for the sake of completion, but to get something out of it, because you are actually putting in 3 years of your life. I mean, imagine 3 years of your precious life अगर आप कोई चीज में डाल रहे हो, तो you should gain something out of it. मतलब आप कोई भी चीज ऐसा मत करो जिससे आपको फायदा ना हो. बी सेल्फिश, मतलब you will earn out of it.
So I am very sure the friends who are joining us, who have joined us, get to know that articleship is a thing which should not be taken, in a casual manner, or in a lighter sense, because there is so much to learn in that journey, as Mohammed sir said.
Right.
Next, I would like to ask that, is it difficult to manage the studies along with the articleship thing? Because it is a thing faced by many of the friends.
So it is difficult. I would not say that our career paths are easy. CA is an easy course. I would never say that. It is difficult, but यही time है where you have to sacrifice for your own self. Trust me, festivals, family gatherings, everything will come again. But आप ये सोचिए कि this part of my life, if I am done with, I never have to come back. You will be able to live your life or move ahead faster than others. You will be able to see the world faster or before than others. So it is difficult. मैं मेरा रूटीन बताता हूँ, अगर आप लोग उसमें से थोड़ा सा भी मोटिवेशन ले सकते हैं तो it would be helpful. I used to start my day at 6:30. I had classes. मैंने पूरे physical classes लिए थे. मुझे online नहीं जमता है. मतलब I cannot study online. So मैंने मतलब I used to go for my classes 7 to 10. Articleship करते थे 10 to 6 almost. 6 से 9 वापस से classes करते थे. 9 o'clock से we used to go home. I used to go to my friend's place to study. वहाँ पे हम 2 घंटे पढ़ते थे. 11-12 बजे तक वापस आते थे. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता था, ऑफिस में लेट हो जाता था. We used to be there by probably 8-9 और रात के 12-1 बजे भी, जब फिर we had to catch up on whatever we have missed. So it is never going to be easy. You are going to probably have 12 hours or 14 hours of your day you are just giving to this, but it will be worth it. Trust me, you have to sacrifice. You have to make sure that आप अभी मतलब पेन ले रहे, and you will be gaining out of it. So with that intention that I don't have to do this again, and I have to clear, or I have to make sure that I learn something out of it. Difficult तो बहुत है, but we will all do it. And सब करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है ना, मतलब आप और मैं अकेले तो नहीं है कि ये कर रहे हैं. There are so many people who are actually doing this, who are making it worth it. सो मतलब अगर वो कर सकते तो आई एम श्योर यू ऑल कैन डू दिस टू. एंड आप में उतना अपने सब में पोटेंशियल, इफ यू हैव चोजन टू डू चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी, we have to go through the difficulty level, and it is at the highest or at the epitome, but we need to make sure that we do this. So please sacrifice your life for some period of time, but at the end it will be worth it. And trust me, I have experienced it personally. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि sacrifices are not easy. आपको लगेगा कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मुझे मतलब सब लोग ये भी बोलते हैं 10th कर लो फिर लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी, 12th कर लो लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी ये, बट मैं सच्ची बोलूंगा सीए फाइनल कर लो उसके बाद लाइफ सेट है. मतलब नॉट किडिंग, देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच विल कम, बट एटलीस्ट वन मेजर चैप्टर ऑफ योर लाइफ जो which will take you to another level बोलते हैं ना, वो है. So ये difficulty है, but we have to go through it. And there are so many people around. अभी तो resources इतने available है that it becomes very easy. Everything is online. हमारे टाइम पे तो कुछ भी online was very difficult. अभी virtual तो काफी ज्यादा बढ़ गया. So you guys save a lot on traveling and other pieces which we never did. We had to travel for like 1.5 hours to go to our office. बीच में ट्रेन में बुक्स में पढ़ लेते थे, कुछ कुछ करते थे, बीकॉम के एग्जाम्स होते थे, ऑनर्स के रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट्स होते थे, स्टडी टू, सो एक सब मैनेज करते थे. बट वो टाइम कर लो तो देन इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क, बी वर्क.
We can definitely say it is a sacrifice for oneself, for ourselves.
Exactly.
It should be definitely taken as an opportunity for the future. Next, I would like to ask that in everyone's life, there is a testing time. There is a phase when God tests you, or probably tests your abilities. And so during the 3 year journey of articleship, were there any difficulties that came across your way and you felt like नहीं अब नहीं होगा, अब बस हो गया ऐसा?
So ऐसा तो रोज आता था दिमाग में कि अब नहीं करना है, बस हो गया. बट लाइक आई सेड माय शेड्यूल वाज सुपर टाइट, बट आई हैड टू डू इट. But इसके अलावा I have a personal experience where I thought it was testing me personally. I had a very close friend of mine, and सबके साथ होता है कि probably घर पे कुछ problems हो जाती है या friends के साथ कुछ problem हो जाती है और personal relation में कोई problem हो जाती है. Just before my CA final exam, up May I had my attempt and December में this thing happened. With one of my very close friends, I had a big fight. एंड मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आई एम गोइंग टू लूज इट, मैं एग्जाम पे कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पाऊंगा एंड मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा ये चीज. एंड मतलब बिकॉज वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था मेरे लिए और लाइक इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी बिग फाइट. तो जनवरी 15 डेज नहीं होता था मुझसे. मैं मतलब आई यूज्ड टू गो एंड क्राई टू माय मॉम कि आई वांट टू लीव इट, आई वांट टू जस्ट गो बैक, और आई कैन नॉट डू दिस, एंड नहीं करूंगा तो क्या होगा, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, मैं छोड़ देता हूँ. बट लेटर आई रियलाइज्ड कि मैंने इतने साल मेहनत की है एंड दिस पर्सन और एनी सर्कमस्टांसेस विल कम बैक टू यू इफ यू आर एबल टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ. यही दिमाग में रख के मैंने सोचा कि ओके, व्हाटएवर हैड हैपेंड इज गॉन, आई कैन नॉट चेंज इट, एंड इफ आई गो बैक इन टाइम और इफ आई पुट माय एफर्ट्स नाउ टू चेंज दैट, माय एग्जाम्स आर गोइंग टू बी स्क्रूड, एंड आई कुडंट अफोर्ड दैट. आई मेड श्योर दैट some way or the other I take that out of my mind. Take help from your family, your other friends, do whatever you can, but those difficult situations you have to tackle mentally. Talk to anybody, talk to a consultant, whatever helps you, but you have to overcome that difficulty, because if you have been so far or if you have come so far, you have to finally nail the final, hammer the final nail. You have to make sure you go over the line. You cannot, मतलब आप एंड में आके नहीं बोल सकता मुझसे नहीं होगा, बट इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. एक और चैलेंज मैं बताता हूँ, इट इज रिलेटेड टू अ फ्रेंड्स एक्सपीरियंस. माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड हु वाज गिविंग चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी एग्जाम विद मी, ही हैड अ टेनिस एल्बो 10 days बिफोर द एग्जाम. उसका हाथ चलना ही बंद हो गया. उसने बोला कि मुझसे नहीं होगा. उसने मुझे कॉल किया एक दिन एंड ही सेड कि मोहम्मद मुझसे ये नहीं हो सकता, आई कैन नॉट राइट माई एग्जाम्स क्योंकि मेरा हाथ ही मूव नहीं कर रहा है. I got so scared for him because हम लोग साथ में पढ़ते थे. We know that we have put in 10-14 hours a day, and 10 days before the exam वो बोलता है मैं लिख नहीं सकता. And लिखना is a big thing. I mean, it's not even like कि मुझे चोट लग गई, मैं बीमार हूँ या कुछ, but लिख ही नहीं सकता. The next day we just went to the hospital, took an injection. My family is full of doctors. They just give him a steroid injection. बोल के कि 1 महीना बस उसमें लिखना है. Some way or the other he started writing. उसके अंदर determination था कि मुझे करना है ये, and we made sure that there is a way out. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ होता है. He used to cry at night कि बस हो गया यार, मुझसे नहीं, मैं लिख ही नहीं सकता करके. उसने एक पेपर सॉल्व नहीं किया था. But he passed in first attempt. I think he also had 3-4 exemptions and उसने पूरे पेपर्स लिखा. उसके बाद जाके उसने उसका ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट कराया. But he just made sure that कि जितना आपने efforts डाला है 3 years, you have put in efforts for articleship, you sacrificed festivals, you sacrificed family gatherings, social gatherings, friend time, everything you sacrificed. So wo difficulty, don't let it hamper or don't let that affect you so much कि you screw up your exams, because it is a small part but it is a very integral part. क्योंकि आपको मालूम है, if you don't give your exams, you're not never going to pass or you're never going to become a chartered accountant. So don't let anything ruin it. Trust me, now when I look back, I have that friend again in my life. I have more friends, people asking me कि you know, how did you do it. That friend who couldn't write is, even though अब वो लिख नहीं पाता, उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, because now he's a chartered accountant, his worth has increased automatically. So difficulties सबके आएंगी, different ways में आएंगे, but you have to overcome them, and it can only be when you're mentally strong and keep the positive surroundings. So that will be really nice, because those people will only help you take that extra initiative to go forward.
I would say ये सबके साथ, किसी ना किसी के साथ मतलब होता ही होगा कि there are mood swings, there are
Right.
some relationship issues, there are some family issues, but the challenges are meant to be, you know, faced with a brave heart and brave mind. And जो वो चीज है वो आपको एक exceptional person बना देती है.
True.
How much active have you been as far as your social life is concerned during your student life? Had you got any chance to participate in co-curricular and extracurricular activities, and how beneficial it is to participate in such activities to groom one's personality?
So ये question is a good question, but I would actually say that it differs from person to person. So don't take this because I am saying it. For me, sports has been very integral part of my career. शायद आपके लिए reading हो, किसी और के लिए painting हो, drawing, dancing, anything can be there. But इतना time मैं definitely dedicate नहीं कर सकता. Like I said, we have to make sacrifices ultimately. But what I would say is, don't lose living life. I mean, I know that it is like when I'm saying there are two contradicting statements, that living life and sacrifices. But in a way, I'm saying that your mental peace is at or you are at mental peace. Basically, what I mean is that whenever you are studying or you need a break, try to do those activities which give you another mindset, or आप कुछ और सोच सकते हो. You are able to probably go to your family, tell your mom to go for take you for a walk. So extracurricular, as in, of course, I had never attended like the things which I do. I never attended holidays or family gatherings itna zyada. But social life, I used to keep it active to a level where I am at mental peace, where I'm able to make sure that I don't go mad or I don't go crazy or just studying and not doing anything else. I'll tell you guys, my social media, I never switched off. Even though I had a very good control. I'm not saying you guys should do the same, but मेरा ऐसा था कि मेरा willpower था, I would never control, like never switch off social media, only for the reason कि अगर मैं, if I'm looking at it for 15 minutes or 10 minutes, I used to check Instagram stories of other people who are enjoying life. It gave me the motivation to make sure कि this is my last attempt and मुझे कल जाके वही life जीनी. Like, okay, I am attending musical concerts, I'm traveling all over the world, I am going to places or doing adventures which I like. I never did those things, but it kept me going that, okay, after looking at stories or that social media platform for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But of course, you should not ruin it by spending hours and hours on social media. I would say you have to make that sacrifice and make sure that आप जितना भी टाइम स्पेंड करते इट्स लिमिटेड. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इतने तो एक्टिविटीज नहीं थे, बट जैसे कभी कभी स्विमिंग चले जाना बिकॉज आई नीडेड अ ब्रेक, और just taking walks or listening to music for like 10 minutes, or while you are having dinner or lunch, don't take your books. So that was my agenda. Just spend some other time so your mind is thinking something different. While taking a bath, just sing songs or dance a little. So all those things, I mean, help or play a pivotal role, but activities wise, I used to sacrifice them a lot.
So you mean that you used to keep your mental state peaceful by enjoying some activities, some of the other activities which
Right.
might divert your attention from the studies and the pressure and all things.
Right.
So moving on to studies, studies are indeed most important part of a student's life because studies and student, these terminologies go hand in hand. So how did you manage your studies in your earlier stages of CA, that is CPT, intermediate, and then at the later stage, that is final?
So managing, I would say two things which I made sure: study regularly. Don't keep it for the end because the end will never come. You will always feel there's a tomorrow. Never keep it for the end. Start studying regularly. Start making notes. Probably you might not get time to revise them, but at least if you have prepared something, you're better off than your other colleagues. Or I would never say compare, but make sure that you're doing a little bit every day so you feel that you are within the curriculum, you're within the course, and you are able to not have that pressure at the end that I've never done anything, or now you have to run to places to collect notes, or you have to just visit some people, some some of your friends who might be having writing notes. So don't make that thing. I mean, I know it's very difficult, it's easier said than done, but try doing something, little notes, or just attending classes, be regular. So all those things are very important. Study wise, I think for CPT, I think the course curriculum has changed now. We just had 2 months after our 12th exam and I just gave the crash course because we thought like there was no point attending it from 11th and 12th. So that was me. I'm not saying it's the right thing to do, but we did it that way. IPCC we used to study. One of the most important things which I would like to say is, which I feel probably you might be a very different person, and I'm again reiterating the same thing, सब बहुत different है, do not compare. आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हैं, बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि जो मैं फॉलो करूंगा वही आपके लिए सक्सेस है. तो मतलब you can do along similar lines, but make sure that you don't follow someone so blindly that you are not able to cope up with what they have done, because you are different, they are different. So one of the things with respect to studies, I would say, have a study partner. Make sure that your study partner and you have that trust wherein you guys study, you're able to study together, because it's a vast curriculum. You know that, okay, nobody will be ever able to complete the whole thing. But if you have a study partner, the most important thing, I'm not saying ki you will be able to complete the curriculum, but when you discuss things with your study partner, आपके माइंड में ज्यादा रहता है. इट इज प्रूवन, आई मीन द फैक्ट इज प्रूवन दैट आप किसी के साथ कोई चीज डिस्कस करते हो ना, तो देन यू टेंड टू रिमेंबर दोस थिंग्स for a longer period of time rather than just doing it by yourself, because kabhi we are in that stage where you are subconsciously not studying, or you are not thinking, but you are actually just reading. You are not gaining anything out. But when you are actually talking to somebody, you will probably put in more efforts, or your mind will work in a way कि you will tend to remember those things. So me and my study partner, 2-3 चीजें हम follow करते थे. Firstly, like we used to write notes a lot, क्योंकि तुम आप लिखते भी हो ना, that also helps you remember things for a long time. So we used to write notes and share with each other कि तूने क्या लिखा, मैंने क्या लिखा, that way. We used to be, secondly, very honest with each other. मतलब like if we know that okay, this is not, मतलब कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है या कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, हमारे जहाँ पे errors होते थे, mistakes होते थे, even though हमें वो मालूम है कि solve कैसे करना, और we have probably identified the solution, but we used to just go and discuss with the other person, because so that we don't make the same mistake or error again. So what we used to do is, like, if I have solved a question and I have got 3 questions wrong, I know ki, okay, now what is the right answer, but I will still go and discuss with him, and he will listen to me patiently. And if I am thinking something differently, he will tell me, because unless and until I discuss with him, I will never get to know what the other person is thinking, because what you will feel is whatever you are thinking is right, but probably there are easier ways to do those things, and you will never know unless you talk to that person. So my study partner, he got All India rank 5, and he was one of the smartest people I've ever known. And that's how we guys nailed it together. We used to make sure that notes likho, make questions, jo question important hai, like index pe, page pe, kahin bhi likho, but just write it down, write answers, solve questions, even though theory subjects are, but make sure that you're writing answers, because you will remember what you are writing, and wherever you make a mistake, discuss it. So then you will kind of, it will help you, remember it for a longer period of time. So I think those are some of the points which I would say that really helped me and can help you. But do not compare. I would reiterate, do not try to copy somebody's routine, because they might be very different from yours. Somebody might be able to study at night, you might be able to study in the morning. So do not try and do that. Do what you like, but have a study partner is what I would say. I mean, will help you.
Very well answered. I would ask just that did you follow any study timetable or any schedule, like we have this 3 hours, and during this 3 hours you study this subject, and does this thing really help?
So making a schedule definitely helps, because you know how much you're going to complete, what are the portions. But what we used to do is, I'm saying we because I always had a discussion with my study partner with respect to this, and we used to be very flexible. Like कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं समझ रहे, क्योंकि मैं और वो भी बहुत different है. अभी शायद मुझे कोई टॉपिक को 2 घंटे लग रहे होंगे, he might complete it in half an hour or 30 minutes. So like I cannot compare that मुझे ज़्यादा time लग रहा है, but we used to be very flexible in that manner that अगर मुझे time लग रहा है तो I used to adjust my schedule a bit and he used to adjust his schedule a bit. But I feel making a schedule definitely helps, making sure that how many days you're going to give to one subject, how many hours you're going to do in a day for that one particular subject, how many papers you are going to solve, everything. If you have in it in a systematic manner, it helps. Sometimes things might not go according to plan. Institute might change a lot of things, exam dates change ho jati hai, and your plans keep changing. It's a very dynamic world. But I would still say schedule, even in professional life, till date, mera personal experience hai, trust me on this, that it really helps. Matlab, it makes sure that whatever you're doing is on the path, and you can discuss it with people, when you have written it down, ki aaj ye to sahi hai ki nahi, kuch changes kar sakta ho ki nahi, and do it with the person you trust. So, like there is no gap of you getting or questioning your own schedule. Ki yaar main kar raha hu to sahi hai ki nahi, sahi kar rahe ho. If you are doing it, you think it's sahi only, because you need to have that confidence. Confidence is the key. शायद कोई और कोई दूसरे बुक से पढ़ रहा है, नोटबुक से पढ़ रहा है, उसका कुछ स्केड्यूल अलग है, वो 10 सब्जेक्ट कर सकता है दिन में, तुम एक ही सब्जेक्ट करना चाहते, इट इज फाइन. मेक श्योर दैट व्हाट यू डू, व्हाट यू फॉलो, यू हैव कॉन्फिडेंस इन इट. अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंस से नहीं, मतलब आई नो इट्स वेरी इजी, मतलब वो टाइम पे बहुत फटती है सबकी, बहुत डर लगता है, हर चीजें कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता है, बट थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस रखना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू nail it in a much better fashion than जब आप बहुत haywire scattered होते हो and you're not thinking or you're not able to understand कि मैं क्या करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ, and then you just waste time.
I would actually agree to the fact that you said you had a study buddy and you used to manage the studies with him. Actually, I had also similar kind of experience when I did my intermediate. We were a group of 4 or 5 close friends, and we used to study, discuss things together. In the classes also, we used to discuss our doubts with each other. And actually, all of us passed the intermediate exams in the first attempt.
Yeah,
that's a thing which I can definitely correlate.
And one the thing is, I'll just tell you guys about life, because it's motivating for me. You can always grow together. आप किसी को भी नीचे पुश करके ना कभी ऊपर नहीं जाओ. अब चले भी गए ना तो सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. मतलब whom you will celebrate with, आपने सबको तो नीचे पुश कर दिया. So grow with people, earn money together, live life together, study together. You will enjoy more. और सब साथ में रहेंगे ना तो डिफिकल्टीज भी फेस करना बहुत इजी हो जाता है. बिकॉज समझो आप लोग को कुछ नहीं समझा या कोई टीचर ने कुछ प्रॉब्लम किया, व्हाटएवर हैपेंस, सबके लिए साथ में होगा तो सब गाली एक साथ मार सकते हैं. और अगर आप अकेले रहोगे ना, अगर आप आगे भी अकेले जाते हो पीछे भी अकेले रहते हो ना, तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू अब मैं क्या करूं, मेरे पास कोई नहीं है, मैं किससे बात करूं, एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सो ग्रो टुगेदर, लिव टुगेदर, celebrate together. So matlab, you will always enjoy and cherish it more. I mean, that's what I follow, at least, like fundamentals of life sort of.
That's a wonderful message from your side. Grow together, enjoy together, and cherish together. I really like that line.
Yeah.
I would like to ask, what was your success mantra and which principles did you follow while doing your studies in architecture?
Success mantra मतलब मैं अभी तक यही सब बोल रहा था, but some of the things apart from what I've already said, I would like to say, family is very important. Whenever you want to take a break, talk to your parents or talk to your siblings. It really helps, because those people are always going to be honest. Those people are never going to be fake. So मेरे लिए पता है, whenever I wanted to take a break from studies, I used to just go and talk to my mom or sit beside her and ask her questions, or like do random things. I would just say मैं तो fail ही होने वाला हूँ and things like that. You just used to laugh or play one game of card, take a walk, you know, or go and trouble my sister, you know, because I had I mean, like that would just help me change something. So, you know, things like that, I think you should all keep, because it's not very easy to concentrate for 6 long months and just keep on going, studying. You need those little things. So have something or the other with you where you are able to change your mind and go. Second thing, success mantra तो नहीं बोलूँगा, but never take your books to the dining table. मतलब whenever you are eating, वो सोच के पढ़ो यार अभी तो मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ, मतलब let me eat in peace. I know, मतलब मैं कभी नहीं लेके जाता था. Even like before the exam, that was the only time I used to take before, I mean, having lunch, because exams were 2 to 5. So lunch के time पे मैं book लेके जाता था. But otherwise मैं बहुत ध्यान रखता था कि all my meals were without my books. So at least वो 15 minutes, 10 minutes I'm eating in peace, just doing something which I'm not doing for the rest of the time. Secondly, success mantra to nahi, but these are just points which I think will help you. Do not try to study like the full course. I mean, I'm not saying if you can, definitely go ahead with it, but start doing ABC analysis. Start doing things which you know are very important. Discuss with your partner. I'm reiterating, like discuss करोगे, किसी से भी discuss करो, but discuss करोगे तो ज़्यादा time तक याद रहे. So make sure that whenever you are studying, you do ABC analysis, write down the important questions which you have to revise. You have to bridge the gap of your study hours. So if you're doing accounts in 10 days in a month, you have to bridge it to 1.5 days for the last day. Or like probably accounts के लिए ज़्यादा time देते होंगे, but like other papers, you just have 1.5 days. So what all are you going to study? So you have to bridge that gap. So पहले से प्रिपेयर करना स्टार्ट करो कि मैं वो 1.5 दिन में क्या पढ़ने वाला हूँ, what am I actually going to study, or what am I actually going to just do it. Next thing is very very important, ये आप कोई भी हो, but I would say follow it. Solve question papers, at least minimum 2 question papers. Don't complete your course, but solve question papers. Question paper अगर आपको सब आता भी है, but you are not able to solve the question, because like वो 3 hours जो है, जो शाहरुख खान बोलते हैं 3 घंटे, ये सिर्फ आपके 3 घंटे. You should know how to tackle those 3 hours, because अगर मैं आपको शायद 4 घंटे दूं ना, you will be able to solve it. But CA exam is such where those 3 hours are super important, because वो 3 घंटे में you cannot go back to a question solving it again, और अगर आपने mistake किया तो you cannot rectify it. आपके पास उतना time ही नहीं है. You have to make sure that you are nailing every question in the first attempt and you are confident about it, so you don't screw up. Probably आपने wrong किया, but ठीक है, अभी आगे बढ़ो. So practice question papers or mock papers are very important. You learn a lot out of it on how to do it. I'm not saying देखो पढ़ाई तो सब कर रहे हैं, आप भी कर रहे हो, बाजू वाला भी कर रहा है, but आप extra क्या कर रहे हो? What is the different thing you are doing? You are able to solve and learn from the mistakes before you are giving your final exam, before you are going for the final what do you say, final hall, मतलब जहाँ पे आप एग्जाम देने वाले हो. And please मेक श्योर दैट आप एग्जाम्स मतलब क्वेश्चन पेपर जो देते हो वो आप सही, मतलब पेंसिल स्केल, मेक टेबल्स, मेक श्योर दैट आप जितने भी क्वेश्चंस लिख रहे हो लाइक थ्योरी, राइट ऑल पैराग्राफ्स. डोंट डू इट कि हाँ ये तो मुझे आता है, चलो मतलब मैंने फर्स्ट लाइन लिख दिया बस खत्म कर. ऐसा नहीं. सिट फॉर 3 hours. और जैसे अगर टैक्स हो, अकाउंट्स हो, कोई भी, इफ यू आर सॉल्विंग अ प्रैक्टिकल एंड यू हैव ऑलरेडी सीन दैट क्वेश्चन, स्टिल सॉल्व इट. I'm not saying you should solve it because वो question के लिए, but because you know how to do it. Debit credit कितना लिखना, कितने lines बनाना, tables बनाना, journal entries है तो मेरे पास time है क्या debit credit particulars लिखने का, narration लिखने का time है क्या. You learn all that beforehand. अगर आप वो करते हो ना, I'm telling you, you are better than almost 50% of the students out there. Because people को क्या लगता है सिर्फ पढ़ने से हो जाएगा. पढ़ने से नहीं हो, आपको बहुत आता होगा, but आप वो 3 घंटे में produce नहीं कर पाते हो, तो it is not worth it. It is not going to help you, because वो 3 घंटा is the most important thing, and that you have to give to yourself. So question papers, everybody is a must. मतलब मैं बोलूँगा कि आप कुछ भी कर लो, but question papers नहीं करोगे, then it is going, you are going to have a tough time. So question papers is a must, and make sure that आप आपके mistakes है, learn, write it down, discuss it with your colleagues or study partner, and move ahead. So I think those are some points which I feel everybody should make note of, and it will really help them.
I think all these small things like having ample practice, having confidence while you appear for the exams, and all such things have contributed to the success mantra of US. And I'm definitely sure that those who are listening to us would definitely get insights and benefit out of it. Uh, I would like to recognize the presence of Saket Bagaria sir, chairman of the Nagpur branch. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, Amay.
Welcome, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mohammed.
Moving on, nice question for you. Actually, as an All India ranker, was AIR on your target at any time during your studies? And what was your feeling when actually you come to know that you are an All India ranker?
So I would like to say, इतने दिमाग में तो नहीं था. The only thing which was always there, like all of you, that pass होना है and this is going to be my last attempt. So that was always on my mind. But somewhere or the other, you know that your preparations are going well, so you kind of need to. I mean, you expect, but I would say never have expectations. Expectations lead to disappointment. So always be that okay. मतलब whatever I'm doing, confidence रख के you study for it. But I never had that in mind. When I heard about it, I'll tell you what I was doing. I was actually watching Sholay on TV, and I was in my hometown, and I knew the results are going to come, but I was just in my hometown relaxing and watching TV. Suddenly my best friend called and he said ki you got an all India rank, and I said कि यार फालतू game मत ले because unnecessary तो वैसे ही बहुत tension होता है, anxiety, and like, but he's like no dude, you nailed it, you got it करके. And then I checked I had my sister and my mom sitting right beside me. We just started crying. It was, I couldn't control myself. I went to my bedroom, just hugging my pillow for 2 minutes. I couldn't understand what's happening with me. I called my dad and I told him, and he used to be the one who used to always motivate me that Mohammed, you have to be the best, stand apart from the crowd, and you need to make sure you do. And that day I felt that it is one of my greatest achievements so far, and I can write it down for sure when I write something about myself that I was an All India ranker in my CA finals. And I think I did make them proud. So that was a really big moment for me.
Actually, it is a very proud and very moment to be cherished for lifelong when you accomplish something very big. And I'm very sure that it must be a very wonderful moment for you.
Yeah, it was definitely, and especially for my parents, I mean, who have always been there with me no matter what. So like seeing that happiness on front, I mean, like in their eyes or on their faces, is incredible. I mean, you cannot match it.
You did your articles from Deloitte and HSBC, which are global firms, and many of our friends who are working in big firms or small and mid-sized firms, there is always a confusion that there is expectation of ample study leaves from the employers. Some employers allow as many as 6 months leave. Some places they allow limited leaves. So according to you, what is the ideal period that should be taken as study leaves before going for CA final examinations?
So I think the ideal time, unless you are fully prepared, which nobody is, would be 4.5 months minimum. Even though I did industrial training in HSBC, I made sure that I tell them beforehand that, sir, this is the amount of time I require. I will do extra hours after my exams. I will do anything to compensate. But that is one skill you need to have to be able to convince them that, sir, मेरे एग्जाम्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए. How much ever you are learning, you are ultimately working and you have to work for the rest of your life. But exams आपको एक ही बार देने, and I had that mind that I can never go and study this again, or I don't want to, because like it's so difficult and it is so vast and it takes so much toll on me that I made sure that I got enough study leave. So 4.5 hours is, I think, a good decent time where you can prepare. But I would say start early, start with your classes, keep on, as I said, writing notes, keep on making sure that you are a little updated than yesterday. Probably read 2 lines, 1 page, whatever helps you. But थोड़ा करके ही, I mean, like वो बूंद से सागर होता है. It's very cliche, sorry about it. But उससे ही मतलब, you will be able to go. So it's not like 4.5 में चालू कर रहे हो and now I'm starting with all my classes and all. No, start early, start making notes, and basically, like I said, you have to prepare for those 1.5 days. So whenever you are getting time, do your virtual classes, attempt live, physical, whatever suits you. But I mean, I think you should start early with your classes and make sure that you get enough study leave. And I really hope all the CAs out there, I know like you guys need articles and they are cheap labor resources, but please give them time and give them study leaves properly, because this is the most important time of their life. So, you know, like, because work though, they have to do it anyway, regardless if you pass, if you fail, आपको वापस से ऑफिस ही आना है. So, but exams तो एक ही बार देना. So make sure that, you know, you convince them to give them proper leaves.
Coming to your passions, you are very passionate about sports, traveling, and adventure. So, did you get time to follow your passion during the core days of the studies, like when the exams were fairly enough near?
So no, like I said, I think I've already answered this. You have to make sacrifices alongside. But मैं Instagram पे 10 minute देखता था. I used to see these travel reels and sports and all those things, and I had in mind that whenever I'm done, I'm going to go here, I'm going to go there, I'm going to live my life, and it's in your hand ultimately, you know. So you have to make sure that you keep yourself motivated to achieve. Trust me, always dream big. I'm not just saying for the sake of it. Dream big. शायद आप वो achieve ही नहीं कर पाओ, but वो रास्ता जो है, that is more important, because when you're dreaming big, कि okay, I have to be probably this or that, I have to do so many adventures in 1 year, or I have to travel to so many countries in one year. Probably आपने 4 ड्रीम किया होगा, वो आपके लिए बिग है, बट आप 2 भी कर पाओ तो एटलीस्ट आप वो 2 करोगे. अगर आप कभी सोचोगे नहीं कि what you really want and you don't strive for it, you're never going to even go closer to that goal or target. So always dream big. बात करो, मतलब like not necessary कि शायद वो होगा नहीं होगा. मैं बोलूंगा कि I want to own a yacht. मैं आज से ही, to be honest with you guys, मैं आज से सबको बोल के फिरता हूँ कि देख लेना 10 साल में मेरे पास yacht होगी. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता कि शायद होगी नहीं होगी, बट मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा है, एंड एवरीबडी अराउंड मी, इट्स लाइक वो मेंटली मैंने इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग साइकोलॉजिकली बना लिया है कि भाई मेरे को यॉट चाहिए, मतलब दैट्स माय ड्रीम, और आई रियली वांट टू ओन अ यॉट. सो लाइक व्हेन यू डू दैट, नो, द डेस्टिनेशन becomes not irrelevant, but becomes less important than the journey. Now I have started preparing in that manner कि यार मैंने सबको बोल के रखा है और मुझे यॉट खरीदनी है, ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So you know, like that journey becomes really interesting, and the things which you tell to people, like मैं वही बोलता हूँ कि it is very, it's like a proven fact also, right? When you start telling or when you start speaking about things, you kind of live up to it or you remember it more. So इसलिए एग्जाम्स के टाइम पे भी क्वेश्चंस वगैरह, यू नो, मिस्टेक्स, ये वो सब बात करोगे फ्रेंड से तो आपको याद भी रहेगा कि अरे मैंने ये मिस्टेक किया था. एंड तुम्हारे ड्रीम्स भी, टॉक टू पीपल, मेक श्योर दैट यू नो, हवे में बात कर रहे होंगे, जोक करते होंगे, लाइक अभी सब मुझ पे हंसते भी है, बट probably when 10 years down the line I actually own a yacht, I can be यार देख, मतलब you know, I used to make sure that मुझे वो करना है. तो always dream big, and you know, तो एग्जाम के टाइम पे तो कुछ नहीं करता था, बट मैं ये 10-10 मिनट के रील्स और ये सब देख देख के बहुत खुश हो जाता था कि मुझे भी एक दिन यहाँ जाने मिलेगा, I will be able to do this, I will be able to go around the world, I will be able to, you know, do so many adventures or whatever I wanted. So
They said that dream big, achieve bigger, so that must be applicable in your case also.
yeah.
After qualifying as a chartered accountant, there are options to go for practice, seeking a job, or going for entrepreneurship, becoming an entrepreneur. You choose the latter 2 things because you are doing a job as well as you are an entrepreneur also. So how did you land at Godrej?
So it is a very interesting story. Like I said, I realized being doing 2 years of articleship and industrial training that I did not want to go back to the Indian corporate world. Godrej was offering me, and I always wanted to do something of my own. I wanted to start a business and make sure that it's like I do it. Fail, मैंने बहुत बार कॉलेज में ट्राई किया, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, सब फेल हो जाता था, बट व्हाटएवर, आई मीन मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा था कि मुझे करना है, like always been that way. So Godrej was offering me an interesting opportunity. It came through my way because I was a ranker, and I know it helps, but it's not the end of the world. I'm saying rank is not everything. Ultimately, after a point, everybody becomes equal, but it gives you that initial boost. So Godrej was offering an opportunity to work in one of their clusters, which was in Africa, Dubai and US. तो US तो मतलब किसी को मिलता ही नहीं था. It was always like कि वो तो बहुत difficult है, सबको अफ्रीका भेज देते थे, and I was up for it. मतलब मेरा हमेशा से ऐसे था कि क्राउड के साथ जाऊंगा तो वहीं रह जाऊंगा, तो आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट, कि चलो अफ्रीका जाएंगे. पेरेंट्स वर वेरी सपोर्टिव, एनकरेजिंग कि यू नो इट वाज स्कैरी, मतलब सबको लगता था कि अफ्रीका जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, लाइफ थ्रेट्स है एंड इट्स नॉट वेरी इजी टू लिव अ लाइफ देयर। बट मैंने सोचा कि करेंगे व्हाट, मतलब मैक्स टू मैक्स, सबसे ये सोचने का मैक्स टू मैक्स क्या होगा, वापस छोड़ के आ जाऊंगा ना, मतलब इंडिया ही आना है वापस से अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हुआ तो। एंड पेरेंट्स से सपोर्ट करने के लिए तो आई स्टार्टेड दिस जर्नी एंड आई they gave me an opportunity to work in Dubai for a couple of months, then go to Uganda, they placed me in Uganda. वहाँ पे मैंने बहुत सीखा, I got to learn about different cultures of the world, different continents, how their working culture is very different from us, how they manage their life in $30 a month in Africa to $10 minimum wage rate in the US, मतलब per hour, $10 per hour US में मिलता है, $30 per month Africa में लोगों को मिलता है. So like the discrepancy, but still they manage the same set of needs that everybody has with the same set of like whatever limited resources you have. So बहुत interesting था international business. I got to learn a lot. I made sure that I'm learning at every stage of my life or wherever I go, and that to do differently. मतलब that's how I landed in Godrej, and then but I wanted to start my own business, and I mean, I'm proud and I'm actually happy that I could do it. And it's almost, I mean, it's going to be exactly 1 year now, tomorrow. So, I mean, like I've started my own business, which is called Artisaga, and it's helping the artisans. I mean, the artisans of India, we are able to provide them a global platform to sell their handcrafted products. So it's been a good journey so far with Artisaga, and of course with Godrej, where I'm doing my full-time role.
There are ample of opportunities, I would say, and आपने वो जो चीज थी कि कुछ हटके करना है, कुछ अलग करना है, उस वजह से you did placed in Godrej, and I think that's a wonderful thing. And
I would say
you also.
Sorry, Amaya, to interrupt you. Actually,
No, you can continue.
I would want to say that don't fall in the trap of just getting a job. I know that बहुत चीजें होती है, limited resources, कभी घर पे पैसे भेजने होते हैं, कभी यार मतलब there might not be opportunities to everybody equally, but जो आपको करना है, make sure you always think of that and do that. Like don't just fall in the trap that सबको जॉब मिल गई, मुझे नहीं मिली, यार मैं ले लेता हूँ, ऑडिट मिल रहा है, ऑडिट ले लो. बट अगर आपको ऑडिट नहीं पसंद, you will never be able to excel in that. If how much ever you try, आप नहीं कर पाओगे. So wait for your turn. Trust me when I say, मतलब मेरे पास 3-4 opportunities थी before I joined Godrej to work in the Indian corporate, and मुझे लगता था शायद ये मेरे लिए नहीं है. मैंने इंटरव्यूज दिए just to understand and see how it is, and मैं रिजेक्ट भी हुआ. 2 उसमें रिजेक्ट हुआ, 2 मैंने रिजेक्ट किया कि मुझे नहीं करना है क्योंकि मुझे इंडियन कॉर्पोरेट पे नहीं जाना है. बट मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि जब तक जो आपको करना है, वो बोलते हैं ना, लेट आए दुरुस्त आए, आई थिंक समथिंग लाइक दैट, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि यू विल बी सैटिस्फाइड, यू विल बी कंटेंटेड. So make sure that whatever you guys are doing, it's something what you like, because you'll be able to achieve more in that. Be probably less money, but you will be more happy.
Please tell us something about your startup Artisaga and what made you to start that thing.
So Artisaga is also actually born out of my my Godrej journey. I mean, I got to know people in Uganda, in the US, and together we started a platform, or we started an organization, a social enterprise called Artisaga. Artisaga is a global, platform where the villages, artisans of the villages of India have been able to sell their products in the international market. So I had a friend, I had a friend who is a fashion designer. She called me when I was in the US, and she called me that Mohammed, मतलब pandemic आ गया और 2-3 artisans हैं, they've been WhatsApping कि उनको help चाहिए. And I had an NGO already, and we were already providing masks and doing a lot of things for the Indian community, like Indian people. So उसने बोला कि artisans है, ये लोग के products बिक नहीं रहे, क्योंकि normally what happens is they are able to sell their products out of 2 things. One is the exhibitions which they have, वो बंद हो गए थे, and the foreign tourists which used to come to these villages, वो भी बंद हो गए थे. So then that was the spark where we thought that let us start a platform, or let us give them a platform, teach them modern business, teach them modern packaging, teach them modern ways of doing business where they are learning about modern designs and all, and provide them an opportunity to sell their products while keeping our commission. So it was a social enterprise, giving back something to the society, but making money out of it. So we keep it very clear and we are very transparent with all our artisans, how much we are going to sell it in the market, aapko kitna milega, and everything, so that we teach them. We provide them all the raw materials with respect to all the, because some of them के यहाँ पे shipping companies नहीं जाती थी, like वो इतने विलेजेस में रहते थे, तो हमने ऑटो वाला के साथ कनेक्ट किया कि आप उनका प्रोडक्ट लेके शिपिंग कंपनी तक लेके आओ, हम वो भी बेयर करने के लिए रेडी. So somehow, like once you have that in mind, things connect and you are able to provide them or provide yourself with a wider scope or wider thought where you are able to solve solutions on your own. So that way, and I had partners from Uganda who was a computer science engineer, so he was able to build a website for us. I had a partner in the US because that is one of our main markets where handcrafted goods are really sold at a very huge price. I had partners in India who were able to help us get all the artisans data for the website. You guys can visit the website artisaga.com, and I mean, most welcome. We're doing really good and we hope to continue this journey. It will be 1 year tomorrow, so let's hope for the best.
You said that CAs are supposed to be solution providers, and you really made it and gave the solution for the problem people were facing. So really appreciable, and congrats to you for completing this 1 year, and hope that the journey will go for a long while. It is always a good and encouraging thing to learn from the experience of the achievers, and you have achieved many things in your life and many more to come as well. So what is the message for the students who have been listening to us?
2-3 things I would say. Failures, mistakes and rejection, they all exist. They will come in your life. Sabke life mein aata hai, professionally, personally, but make them your strong point, and it will help you go to the next level. Make sure that you start, if you want to do something differently, stand apart from the crowd and you will be able to get to there. So those 2 or 3 things which I feel, life is very beautiful. Please do not hamper yourself that it's the end of the world. This is a very small part of it, and there is so much more to come, so much more to see, so much more to explore. It is very beautiful. So never think that mere saath kyun ho raha hai ya kuch nahi. I know sometimes you get depressed, sometimes you get nervous, but live up to or look up to all the positive things in whatever is ahead of you and whatever things are lying ahead of you. Strike the opportunities which come your way, and trust me, you will be able to nail it. And there are so many people, including me, any help whatsoever with respect to anything, I'll be more than happy to help you. So I really wish all the best to all the students out here listening, and I'm actually thanking you. Please take something out of it. You put in 2 hours to come listen to us. Like, take something out of it which will help you. Be selfish that way, and hopefully it will be really nice that you guys gain something out of it and then tell me that bhaiya इसके वजह से ये हो गया करके. I'll be super happy, smiling ear to ear.
It's really, really wonderful to have a chat with you, and you inspired us. You told your stories, you told your success mantra, and many are definitely going to get inspired and follow your path. Now, friends, I would like to say that this forum is open. If anyone of you have to ask anything related with studies, be it related with articleship or anything in general, you can obviously put your questions in the chat box, or you can also turn on the mic and you can ask the questions to Mohammed sir, because we are here to interact with him, and you have the opportunity. So please.
Yeah, please feel free, be confident. डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. I mean, we are all the same, so don't worry.
Friends, you can put the questions in the chat box, as well as you can. Saket sir wants to ask.
Can I ask a question, Mohammed?
Yes, sir, definitely, please.
बहुत सिंपल सा सवाल है, बट मेरे ऑफिस में मेरा आर्टिकल बैठा सामने, वो सुन रहा था उसको, उसने मुझको सिर्फ एक ही चीज पूछा कि बोले सर, मेरिट में आने के लिए कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है? पास होने
मेरिट
के लिए तुम्हारे से होता नहीं, बोले यार आप मेरिट में आने की बातें कर रहे हो बोले। तो मेरिट में आने के लिए कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती?
आई वुड से सो ये क्वेश्चन मतलब बहुत ही सब्जेक्टिव है, बट आई वुड स्टिल वांट टू आंसर इट। मेहनत जितनी भी करे कम है। मेरिट आपके लिए अलग डेफिनेशन है, मेरे लिए अलग डेफिनेशन है। शायद आपका मेरिट मेरा मेरिट मैच नहीं करता है। सो आप जो मेरिट, अगर आप एकेडमिकली बोल रहे हैं कि मतलब वेर यू वांट एग्जाम्शन और यू वांट समथिंग इन लाइफ, मेरे लिए मेरिट इज टू मेक माई पेरेंट्स प्राउड एंड प्रॉब्ली ट्रैवल ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। मतलब मैं अगर सीए में इतना नहीं आता बट मैं ये स्टिल करता, तो शायद आप और मेरा मेरिट डिफरेंट है, बट जितनी भी आप कर सकते हैं वो आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, या आप उसमें खुश रहेंगे। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि आप जो भी करते हैं दिल से करके खुश रहिए, क्योंकि इफ यू डू दैट it will always give you that sense of, or it will instill that sense of confidence and pride in you that हाँ मतलब you know this I have done on my own। तो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके लिए merit is getting 50%, I mean and if you get 51%, I mean it's commendable। I mean who am I to say that नहीं आपको 60 लाना चाहिए था। I mean you did your best and you achieved what you wanted, so like that's more important। आप आपके लिए जो करना चाहे। I mean I hope that answers your question, but जितना भी कम करे कम है sir, because like we all see that every day new technology, new developments all over the world, artificial intelligence, it's so growing that मतलब सिर्फ 50% लाने से कुछ नहीं, जो आपको पसंद है अगर आप वो करके if you achieve greater things, that will really be nice।
That's really great, really great। Yes, Amay।
There is a question from Prajakta Gupta. Prajakta, it would be great if you can ask that question yourself, please.
Yes, Amay. Actually, I was at office, so actually my question is that what avenues did you find after passing CA final examinations?
Sorry, I didn't get you. What did you?
What were the fields you get to work at, or you chose, or you thought of when you passed your CA final examination?
What are the thoughts?
Fields, avenues.
Fields. Okay. So what are the fields available to me when I passed? So when I passed my chartered accountancy exam, like I said, there is ample of scope everywhere। You choose what you like। आप ऐसा मत सोचो कि यार ये available है इसलिए मैं ये कर लेती हूँ। अगर आप ऐसा सोचोगे ना, you will always be in that zone where you are only doing things for somebody else or you are not giving importance to yourself। So अगर मुझे कंसल्टेंसी में जाना है, मुझे बहुत बीसीजी में जाना है, मुझे गोदरेज में जाना है, या मुझे इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस करना है, तो चूज थिंग्स और लुक फॉर थिंग्स टिल द टाइम इट डजंट कम। आई नो इट्स वेरी इजी सेड देन डन, क्योंकि बहुत बार क्या होता है कि 6 महीने निकल जाते हैं, शायद आपको वो नहीं मिलता है, बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि आपको कभी नहीं मिलेगा। अगर आप वर्क ही नहीं करेंगे उसके लिए तो हाउ विल यू गेट दैट? सो आई होप यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट। फील्ड एवेन्यूज उतने अवेलेबल है जितने आपको चाहिए। दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है। देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स आउट देयर व्हिच वी डोंट इवन नो बिकॉज वी आर लिविंग इन अ स्मॉल वर्ल्ड इन अ नेटशेल। अगर आप सोचते हो कि मुझे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनने के बाद स्टार्टअप करना है, hundreds of people are there to take you who are there, but you need to go and find it out। you need to find the resources to find it out। so field avenues आप जितना एक्सप्लोर करेंगे you will find it more। मुझे like I said इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस करना था, मुझे इंडियन कॉर्पोरेट में वापस नहीं आना था because I thought like studying about different business cultures, going to different continents, I love traveling, would help me। I chose that। I found a way to get into a job which would give me that, and now today I have even started my own startup। so वो एवेन्यू मुझे बाद में मिला, बट मेरे दिमाग में पहले से था कि मुझे एक स्टार्टअप करना है, मुझे एक बिजनेस खोलना है, वो मैं बाद में कर पाया। बट अगर आपके दिमाग में नहीं रहे तो आप कभी वो सोचोगे नहीं। तो एवेन्यूज उतने हैं जितने आप सोच सकते हो या जो आपको कर। आई होप आई एम एबल टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन।
Yes, it was really well answered. Thank you.
Thank you।
There's another question in the chat box. Yeah, who is it? Please.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon।
Sir, actually, in my first attempt of CA final, I got negative result. So I wanted to ask that how to tackle this situation. I have a passion towards CA. I have interest, but due to some unfortunate situation, I was not able to study during some time of the study schedule, and I got negative result. How
Okay।
to tackle this situation? How to face it? And I want to pass. I want to clear this, and yeah.
Yes. So like you said, you already know the problem which caused negative results, right? And I hope it is not going to come back to you again, or I hope, and I'm praying for that it doesn't come back to you. So now you know, when you don't have that problem with you, you will be able to study even in a much better fashion, or you will be able to provide greater time towards your studies. So the answer lies in your own question, that wo negative result was not the end of the world, because you knew what the problem was, and you know that शायद मैं वो time पे नहीं कर पाई. But now when you have that opportunity to give time to yourself, study harder, try to do that. Make sure that अभी जो आपने वो time नहीं किए थे, like I said, learn from the mistakes. It will help you elevate to the next level. It will help you give a rise, or make sure that अरे मैंने वो time पे यार ये mistake कर ली थी, या मेरे family में ये हो गया था, whatever. I'm not commenting on that, but you know the problem, so never get disheartened by it. अगर आप वही सोच के बैठोगे यार मेरे उससे हो गया था, मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, नहीं, वो हो गया. It is in the past. You cannot change that, and it is not the end of the world. You know that you have a liking towards chartered accountancy. Give it. Probably एक attempt नहीं हुआ, अभी ये attempt में शायद you will be able to do 100% better, because आपने उसको tackle कर लिया. आपने सोच लिया कि I am not going to think about that and the future. And ये सोचो ना कि एक बार आपने अभी पास कर लिया, उसके बाद कोई नहीं पूछता है कि आपको 10 अटेम्प्ट लगे, 15 अटेम्प्ट लगे, आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बन गए. यू विल बी एबल टू डू व्हाट यू लाइक फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, सो थिंक अबाउट दैट, थिंक अबाउट द फ्यूचर. नेगेटिव रिजल्ट हो गया, इट्स फाइन. मेरे साथ बहुत चीजें नेगेटिव हुई है, मतलब आज मैं उसके बारे में सोचूं ना, मतलब अगर मैं रहता, मैं नेगेटिव के बारे में सोचता, शायद मैं आपके सामने बात नहीं कर पाता. आई वुड नॉट बी एबल टू टॉक टू यू फ्रीली कि मतलब हाउ आई हैव बीन एबल टू ओवरकम. तो थिंक, फॉरगेट अबाउट द पास्ट, think about the future, and think about the positives which are going to be there. कि हाँ यार, मतलब मैं पास होने के बाद I'm going to do this, I'm going to do whatever you want, I mean, in your life. So that will be really helpful, and go with that confidence कि मतलब I can do it, and you will be able to, I'm sure.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
No, sir.
Friends, if there are any further questions, we can wait for another minute, because time is.
Amay, I have a question. Can I please take it?
Yeah, sure.
If you are not running out of time. Good evening, sir. This is Aviral Barange. My question to you is, like, कैसा होता है कि जैसे कि मैंने आपका पूरा सेशन सुना, आपने उसमें बहुत एम्फेसिस किया कि you should start early. There is not a perfect timing, लेकिन ऐसा लोगों से सुनने में आता है, the ambience around you from the people. कि आपको अभी तक पढ़ाई नहीं की, आपका अभी तक ये नहीं हुआ, आपका वो नहीं हुआ, तो what should be the appropriate time to start for your final preparation so that you don't panic later on कि इतना बच्चा हुआ है, हम डाउट होता है ना कि हम कर पाएंगे नहीं कर पाएंगे,
right.
कैसा होगा आपको?
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मतलब जो टाइम है वो मैं आंसर लेटर करूंगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आप डू नॉट कंपेयर योरसेल्फ टू दैट अदर पर्सन, क्योंकि शायद आपको आपके ऑफिस में 10 घंटा काम करवाते होंगे, उसको वो ऑफिस में 8 ही घंटा या 7 घंटा करते होंगे, या तो वो शायद ऑफिस ही नहीं जाता होगा इसलिए वो पढ़ाई कर पा रहा है. सो हाउ कैन यू इवन कंपेयर कि वो जो बोल रहा है और आपकी जो लाइफ में है, दोज आर टू सिमिलर थिंग्स, और यू आर getting, I'm not saying don't be scared. Being scared is very good. It will bring the best out of you. But stop comparing कि उसने इतना पढ़ा, मैंने इतना. आपको तो ये भी नहीं पता कि पेपर क्या आने वाला है. शायद ऐसा हो सके जो आपने पढ़ा सिर्फ वही पेपर में आया और उसने जो पढ़ा वो आया ही ना. तो it doesn't matter कि आप कितना ज्यादा करते हो. आप important ये है कि you have that confidence in yourself that whenever you are starting, start early. I meant almost, मतलब I started after first year of my articleship, मतलब मैंने 1 साल या मतलब almost 7-8 महीने मैंने articleship start किया था, and then we started with the courses. अभी मुझे वही, मतलब the thing is I don't want to answer that question because I don't know how much of the curriculum has changed or how much, because everything is virtual now. मैंने कभी वर्चुअल क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं की. सो आप मेरा और आपका भी कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज द सिचुएशन वाज वेरी डिफरेंट. मेरा मेन पॉइंट इज, अगर आप कंपेयर करना चालू कर दोगे या तो आप ऐसा बोलने लगोगे यार उसने तो पूरे 2 सब्जेक्ट कर लिए, मैंने नहीं किया, शायद उसके लाइफ में बाद में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ जाए, वो 2 सब्जेक्ट भी भूल जाएगा, मतलब पर आपने शायद बाद में वो पढ़ा होगा तो आपको याद रहेगा. तो बी कॉन्फिडेंट इन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग एंड स्टडीइंग. एंड ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मतलब कभी कंपेयर मत करो, हेल्दी कंपटीशन रखो, लिसन टू योर टीचर्स, दे विल गाइड यू, दे नो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग. उनका काम ही वही है कि दे विल टीच यू, दे विल गाइड यू. But you have to have confidence कि whatever you are learning from your teachers, start making notes, start preparing for that 1.5 days, टेक सजेशंस फ्रॉम देम कि सर मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, क्या नहीं कर सकता हूँ. मैं बॉम्बे में रहता था, आप नागपुर में रहते हो, मुझे 1 घंटा लगता था मेरी क्लास जाने को, आपको 1 घंटा नहीं लगता है शायद क्लास जाने को. तो like you know I probably had to start even earlier than you, but it doesn't mean कि आपको करना पड़ेगा. शायद आपका रिटेंशन पावर थोड़ा सा कम होगा, and you know best. I mean आज मैं और आप 5 मिनट बात करके how can I even judge कि आपको आज ही स्टार्ट करना चाहिए, कल स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. You know what is best. So have healthy competition, but don't compare or get panicked because somebody is doing something. Trust me, it doesn't help. मेरे कितने फ्रेंड्स हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता था यार उन्होंने तो कितना पढ़ लिया, वो लोग बहुत सारे लोग पास भी नहीं हो पाते, पर क्योंकि वो शायद एग्जाम में फेल कर लेते, उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व नहीं किया, शायद आपने क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व किया. सो बिलीव इन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज करेक्ट, and trust me whatever you are doing is correct because your teachers have taught you that, and you know that यार मेरे पे confidence है. वो 3 घंटा is more important than that you know journey. So start early because you can make notes, you can start preparing for those 1.5 hours. बट ऐसा मत सोचो कि यार 2 साल पहले ही चालू करना चाहिए, 3 साल पहले, या उसने कर दिया तो मैंने नहीं कर पाया. शायद आप ऑफिस में ऐसी चीजें सीख रहे हो वो नहीं सीख रहे वो ऑफिस में, तो यू नो देयर इज अ ह्यूज गैप इन दैट आल्सो. सो like make sure you are learning what you want and you are gaining, like listen to your teachers and gaining out of that. So I think that would, I hope I am able to answer your question. I'm not doing it directly because our situations are different, but I'm just trying to give you an overview picture of what you can do better to I mean you know pass your exam.
श्योर सर, मतलब आपने जो बोला वो बहुत 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 अच्छा था, मैं समझी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Most welcome. I'm happy.
Friends, it's time to conclude this session, but a good session is never concluded. Actually, it just pauses. So I would now request CA Saket Pagadia sir, chairman of the Nagpur branch of ICAI, to kindly give his concluding remarks. Sir, just a moment, just let me change the setup.
Don't worry, Amey. It will be done on that. Thank you so much, Amey. I feel it was a fantastic session when Mohammed is there and an all India ranker. I know the expectations are definitely high. And thank you so much, Amey, on behalf of me as well as Nagpur branch, Amravati branch in Satara. That was a splendid session, much required by each and every student who is preparing for their sessions now. Okay, Amey, this is a different type of a setup, and I feel I am the only odd one out who's looking amazingly different. Jiten sir, if you can just on your video, so the things could look.
Yeah, Saket sir, actually I'm on my cell phone and my cell phone doesn't allow me to get into this immersive mode. Yours is a better one, so yours is 1+ and mine is different, so I cannot say
we have already got a 1+ faculty. We have already got a 1+ faculty in the name of Mohammed. So I feel this has been a really splendid session. What Mohammed said, I feel Amey has already communicated on that think big, definitely dream big to achieve. There was only one point on which I was having a little bit of reservations when Mohammed spoke something on that, and that was about the time a student should take a leave for preparing for his or her attempts. If I'm not wrong, I heard Mohammed saying 4.5 months is minimum required for you, that you took that much of leave from your employer to really put on that. I feel that may give a wrong message to all the students that unless they take 4.5 months leave, they won't be able to really clear out the things. I feel that is not the thing, because out of my personal experiences, though this is 20 years old experience, I always feel on that what Mohammed said needs to be taken in the true spirit. He said that you should start studying right now. You should not wait for the things to happen. You should not wait that somebody should come and then motivate you and do something on that. Every person, every individual is different. Every person has got his or her own style of learning, reading, understanding, interpreting, and then really performing at the time of examinations. There may be a student who may be habit of learning in the morning. There may be others who will be more comfortable in the night. If I say that I was more comfortable in the morning because I felt that when I wake up in the morning, everything is so fresh. There's no restrictions at all. I wake up in the morning 3:30 or 4 in the morning, and then I used to study because everybody else in the house was fast asleep. So there was no distraction. There was no things like that. And the thing which you learn in the morning gets into the mind at the earliest. But then somebody may have a different thing that they are more comfortable while they are reading it at the night. So every person has got its own perception. Take
Right,
those things which you feel is more relevant for you.
Right.
हम जब किसी रिसेप्शन में भी जाते हैं ना, तो हमें वहां पर भी जाके हम दिखता है बहुत सारे आइटम्स लगते हैं आपको, तो आप सारा चीजें नहीं लेते हो, आप उसमें से उन्हीं चीजों को लेते हो जिन चीजों को देखकर आपको अच्छा लगता है. बट अगर वहां पर आकर के कोई व्यक्ति बोलता है कि नहीं यार आपने तो ये लेना चाहिए, सलाद लेना चाहिए, सलाद इज वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ, या किसी ने आपको बोले कि नहीं मीठा थोड़ा कम खाना चाहिए, तो अगर आपको खाना है तो आप बोलते हो कि नहीं यार मुझे तो ये नहीं खाना है या मुझे ये खाना है. I'm just trying to tell you from the perspective of that what Mohammed has told you. Yes, given a platter before you. It's upon you how you wish to take it. Because at the end of the day, it's you who is going to be acknowledged as the next AIR from Nagpur. And I wish that there are so many students out here, and I expect each and every student from here that they should really come out with flying colors, put up your best efforts, remember what Mohammed has said. And I really acknowledge the presence of even Mohammed's mother, Dr. Lulu Wali. She's here. She was here for a very good session on CSR. We learned a lot out of it. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your spirited presence at both the occasions. And I congratulate the team Vikasa for such a splendid session. Keep the recordings because this is going to help so many students who wish to aspire for and acquire a rank in the where it's like.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
साकेत सर वो CSR जो है ना जो आपने बोला, आप you are true chartered accountant. You forgot it was CPR. तो आपको you went into corporate social responsibility.
मैं एक कंपनी की बैलेंस शीट फाइनल कर रहा था और वहां पर
I can understand. I can understand. So चलो CSR नहीं CPR था. I was just remembering the session. It was a very good session. So thank you so much, CA Mohammed, for joining.
Thank you so much, sir.
Wonderful. I was there on and off because there were certain calls and I was on mobile, so I was not able to listen everything. But it was wonderful session. Whatever I was able to comprehend and understand, it was wonderful. So thank you so much. And thanks to Team Vikasa for doing this wonderful. This is something new. Saket sir, you should try this at branch as well now. Yeah. Chaliye. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It's my privilege, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Amay, over to you.
To propose the formal vote of thanks, I would now request Ms. Aviral Barange, Secretary of Nagpur branch of Vikasa. Aviral, over to you.
Okay. Thanks, Amay. A very wonderful good evening to one and all present here. So I'm more than fortunate to get this chance to propose the formal word of thanks for this extremely wonderful session. Talk with rankers, our main speaker like CA Mohammed Wali sir. First of all, I would like to thank our eminent speaker for the day, CA Mohammed Wali sir, the very eminent speaker, the very young and very dynamic. Thank you so much, sir, for sparing time for the students and taking commendable efforts for guiding us. Your efforts were really commendable. I am really sure that this interactive session of yours will guide many students today and every time, and will really help us shape their journey. Every single word of yours that was very enlightening. Even like I am running short of words to express what we experienced throughout the session. Like even I was the one who raised a question, and most of the doubts of the students, I think they got the answers in a very, very, very excellent manner. We were very comfortable with you. Like there was a thing like you are a ranker and we are the students. So how would it be? But I mean, it was very, very, very interactive. Thanks a lot. The session was for the students and it was for the students by the students. It would have been really incomplete without the presence of students. So I would like to thank every single person who spared time from his schedule and took time to attend this session. And sir, the way you focused on a line, I would like to remember it, quote it, like you emphasized on the fact of growing together cherish and enjoy together. That was extremely brilliant. I think that is a line that we should cherish and we should follow it in our lives. The concept of having a steady partner and helping each other grow. That was, I think, really out of the box idea. I think we should follow that. So guys, it's time to end this wonderful session. See you in all our future events as well. With this, thank you all. Thank you all. Amay, you can take over.
Friends, that's all for the today's session. I hope you enjoyed, you learned something out of this session, and I'm very sure that you will implement the things and tips given by Mohammed sir in your studies as well as in your professional life as well. So thank you one, thank you all. This is Amir Suvan signing off. Stay connected with us on Instagram and other social media. Goodbye.
Sure. Thank you so much, Team Vikasa. Thank you again. Have a good day. Bye. Good luck to all the students.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.